Why most people fail on the keto diet. 2 women, each 41, tried the keto diet. One shed several pounds in a week by eating perfectly. But then she went out and drank a margarita, and it was downhill from there. The second woman was also strict at first. She lost a few pounds the first week and also went out to eat, but somehow nothing derailed her. She lost 6 pounds in 14 days and felt unstoppable. There were no slip-ups and she was down 12 pounds within 4 weeks. So what made the difference? Most people on a new diet have no plan. They learn what to eat and not to eat. They try new recipes, but they don't have a daily plan to carry them through that critical first month. Without a plan, it's too easy to fall for peer pressure, to be unprepared and to make bad decisions. So why do it? We've guided over 416,387 people to success. Simply follow this plan and you will succeed. The 28-Day Keto Challenge is a well-crafted plan that gets you through your first month. You're never left to figure things out on your own. Nothing is left to chance. Our 28-day meal plan guides you every step of the way. And it's more than a plan. It's also a challenge. It's designed to stretch you and see what you're made of. With our help, you'll be unstoppable. It's time to take the 28-Day Keto Challenge. Sign up now and get our 28-day meal plan and 10 expert guides to educate and inspire you. Amaze yourself. In just 28 days, our challenge is famous for results. Be lighter and thinner. It's not uncommon to lose 12+ pounds. Have more energy than you've felt in years. Sleep better and wake up more rested. Notice your skin and hair improve. Feel a sense of accomplishment. Best of all, you'll gain momentum with your new keto lifestyle. Everything is delivered digitally so you can start right away. Many clients lose up to 3 pounds in the first week. The 28-Day Keto Challenge is 100% risk-free, which means you could complete it twice and still get a full refund. Start your transformation now with 60 days money-back guarantee. Click the link in description to buy this amazing program.